Welcome back. Today we are looking at the 5 big ideas for successful vibe coding in Agentic software engineering. The tools give you massive leverage, but successful execution requires one rule. You must be the boss. Let's start the video. Let's look at the most important rule. You must be the boss. AI coding assistant gives you a huge boost, but they still make mistakes. Keep a watchful eye, check their work carefully, and stay in control. First, write your agents.md file carefully. These files acts your agent's memory blueprint, which Claude Code calls CLAUDE.md. Keep it concise, detailing 3 crucial areas: task specifications, the required coding style, and explicit success criteria at the end. Second, start simple. Your very first version should just be a basic prototype. Do not try to build a super complicated app all at once. Make sure this simple foundation works perfectly before you add any new features. Third, build step by step. Break the work down into small, easy pieces. Test and run your app after every change you make. If something breaks, you will know exactly why, and it will be easier to fix the issue, or we can go back the previous version easily. Fourth, do not get lazy. When the agent builds something really cool, it is easy to start trusting it blindly. Always challenge the model, ask for test results, double check the code changes, and make sure it actually works. Fifth, handle failure with style. Sometimes the agent will make mistakes, get stuck in loop, and drive you crazy. This is part of the process. Stay calm, learn what it cannot do, and find clever ways around it. Letting the agents run on autopilot is okay for quick hacks or playing around, but for the real products, you must trust but verify. Let the agents write the first draft, then review every single line very carefully indeed. If you are new to coding or junior software engineer, use AI to help you learn. Do not just copy and paste everything. Ask the model questions to understand how it works, and build the skills to become a senior developer yourself. For senior developers, AI is our ultimate multipliers. We can trade the fun of writing simple code lines for bigger joy of building entire system, front ends, mobile apps, and cloud configurations in a minute. Building fast is a lot of fun. Here is the productivity truth. AI coding speed is a mixed bag. You will get a huge 10 times boost on brand new projects, small helps on older systems, and real delays when trying to use new APIs the model has never been seen before. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn about AI tools and build apps faster, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. I'm Ali Ahmed, and I will see you in the next video.